So at last week in our report, people by the bar, it's almost 3-4 months in here. Kijama or KOTOKO.
No 2 months salary. No, because now
2 months.
And running there, we started paying some 2 months salary. 2 months and running there, so you started making payment. Now, I say,
go be no like has already Obia
if you look at since you buy based on the KPIs, the kind of KPIs are actually I'm paying for them to run as a football club. And this is Kaumaka in the football club. Sponsorship has been our highest revenue generator for us.
Yeah,
we are breaking up the KPIs and what we have also achieved so that supporters and because gate post is the as we expected, and in the economic situation about my kakra. And sometimes sponsorship payment delay. So sign sponsor 1 million now. And then I sign sponsor after 1 million the amount. Just ready payment. Sometimes twice a year, sometimes quarterly. It will be trying to not trying to match. It will be trying to monthly. It was sponsors, but you say so we can pay monthly. And he say if I saw 3 sponsors so much by let's say February. Now all the 3 sponsors need to lay in payment. I have account kakra as a football club. So that's exactly what happened. But God being so good, some of the sponsors have come through for us. And he said, I can run in the Ashasha cry. We are going to clear all those areas. But to look at it, where the amount of salary is paid all these years, and a strong institution like KOTOKO, the players got 2 months. That's not the ideal situation, but obviously we are making strides and we are paying them all.
Monthly, check it when I come
KOTOKO wage bill. Yeah, I mean the month is roughly around 350,000.
350,000 Ghana cedis.
It's roughly around that amount. Around 350,000, and we took it from I think about 64 or 70,000 there about when we came.
Okay.
Yeah, because people argue say there were sign-on fees, but of course there were sign-on fees in arrears. And he made my sign, Senior Jeff, for let's say 3 years. My man there 600 Ghana cedis. The sign-on fee be 15,000, 20,000. But sign-on fee in private number say 3 years no can san kai. But what I say. So it's better we quantify it in salaries so that at least okay. Sign-on fees are delayed for 1 year before, but maintain KOTOKO say salaries are delayed 1 year.
Yeah,
that's what I say. I delayed 2 months, and people think it's a big issue, and of course it's a big issue, obvious. But then sign-on fees can delay for 2 years. Make I say Ibrahim Moro, Eko, Sudan, he had to sit down with us and say, "I want to be car, but let me write a letter. Nice car with me be and me fanchamo."
Wow.
Yes, and he had to do away with about 80,000 cedis. Ibrahim Moro. That's how much you own him in sign-on fees.
Oh, okay.
Because that's how much the club owns him. But already we are club na Boano, club na project no. As you see, Kwakoji very good salary in Sudan. The fans say, honestly, more of the club and say first Canada. So he did an agreement with that and signed and gave us that money. Although he was the money was good, but that's what I say. So that's how much sign-on fees can compile over the years. Yeah, but you have a lot of old players. Remember, to our secretary, the club need your sign-on fees.
Old players.
I'm telling you.
The club need your
sign-on fees. Because that's how it's difficult for clubs to pay that huge sum of money. Imagine so 30 players and will be a sign-on fees about 20,000.
Wow,
that's huge. What I say, so mostly so it's better we put it in salaries and pay. So that's why we migrated the salaries from that amount less than 100,000 to about 350,000. And you can say just started. Although you want to sign player, be economy player, we should be free now. So I take a car.
But meaning. Well, I kakra buy 3 years in here. To say now, what kind of? I don't know. Go 2 months and I say, "Are you who power Ghana?" The ain't because the south stretch and on us and I move kakra. I could do be 5-6 months at that. I buy 3 years in here.
David, and do that. I think say buy no. Now 3 months. It's a buy and I bought no boy with an amount of money. I think $1 million or so. Into you declare most of those are standings. And the highest I think 2 months, or sometimes it will call the 3rd month kakra. But we've been doing well to clear all these areas as well. Because listen, there were certain players that buy now maybe the salary or more so to us it wasn't encouraging.
Oh, okay.
If you are on your deal cannot give it to be a problem. there were players who are the basic, if I say amount of budget, if I say now the player gets is in a month.
Mobile, you know.
Yes.
You'll do a month and no benyana. It's Onyana
Bosoni. That's what I say. So it tells you how we've raised the bar. And seriously, if you compare so the other African football clubs are, although we are doing so well in Ghana, but this starts a crowd. That's why sometimes some of our best players will have to leave because you cannot hold them. Where is Ika? And I see we'll draw example, for example, say Oji Ghana Premier League. Amanda Unyana. Frankie Bell are supposed to be a kitchen. Egypt. What did I say? So because we were paying Bella, I think about $2,000 or so.
$2,000.
Yes.
Time now $2,000.
And you see, it's huge for you, right?
$2,000
a month. Big money for you, right?
If you know more bros, that name foreigners result for the name Kuala Mone. Abicus for no name or zone. That more Cameroon you are.
Yes, you fake
Cameroon for the grams on you too.
Yeah, you fake why because it was your Brazilian and you have a Uganda. Yes, and we have two Cameroonians, of course. Yeah. So that's how much we're paying. But he's call MSV or just 25,000. So from 2,000 to 25,000. What I understand in terms of increase. What was who bought Twitter? We'll see a bro.
Very, don't lie. I know
exactly. It tells you how much we've been trying to put in the club. And of course, you see, when you come to a club, and Namibia, for example, where the KPI of the board, because the KPI, the man say, Nyoma board, the CEO to achieve.
Yeah.
The board was saying, say, in the 3 years of Asante Kotoko, the club should be a financially viable club. Just a club number on Hobra.
Okay.
Abu so I say me, Sompa FM, how many years somebody?
About 1 year more.
About 1 year.
Yeah.
Does the owner of Sompa still pumps in money?
I know their movies have a very demo.
But if that's how, I'm not sure it is. As Niajaf is here. Do you know why? Because Sompa is not running as an independent. Well, that's why you do promotions.
Yeah.
So that the adverts and the income we generate as an organization should run itself.
Yeah.
So even if Sompa TV, in less than 2 years, is running as an independent financial organization, why shouldn't Asante Kotoko in our 86 to 87 years history? So the board said to the CEO, say, in the first year, raise 5 million internally generated funds. Second year, raise 10 million Ghana cedis. Third year, raise 15 million Ghana cedis. Abu, we've raised 23 million Ghana cedis as we sit here.
They breaking it down, man. Also, it's a more easy 23 million Ghana cedis.
As we sit here, based on the KPIs, the board gave to the CEO. Say number one was to make sure KOTOKO is the biggest club in Ghana in terms of commercialization and performance, which obviously we are. Number two, and they say, Asante Kotoko as a football club, a financially viable football entity. Meaning, it's a club now, it's carbon opera. It is what is a casa seminar. It is a mandate or a KPI that was given to us by the board of Asante Kotoko, and the board is made up of prominent people.
Yes.
And the target for the third year, because first year we raised 5 million. First year 5 million, second year 10, and the third year 15 million Ghana cedis. So we should be able to raise 50 million Ghana cedis in our third year as management of Asante Kotoko. Like I said, we have raised 23 million.
That's Aboso. The first year no mu achieve target no.
First year we achieved, the second year, the third year. So
Abama na Aboso.
Abuma 23. Let me break it down for you.